Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is magnetism. A solenoid having finite length is placed with its axis along x-axis as shown in the figure. The number of turns per unit length is important information. Length is n and it carries a current I. Find magnetic field at origin if the angles alpha and beta are known. Okay, alpha and beta are known. So this is the diagram. Okay, this is my solenoid having finite length. Okay, and its axis x-axis. Okay, x-axis as shown. Okay, so the solenoid can assumed to be made up of a large number of coaxial current loops placed adjoining each other. Consider one such loop as shown. This is the one loop. Is shown, and an xy plane view of loop. Okay, xy plane view of loop. Okay, so this is the two pole. Okay, now the formula is dB is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi 2 in cross I into pi r square into dn I divided by r square plus x square whole to the power half. Okay, so friends, you get this formula from Biot-Savart rule. If you don't know, I will prove it. Otherwise, it is available a lot of physics books, this derivations. Okay, so where dn is number of loop. Okay, dn is number of loops. Okay, in thickness dx. Okay, so this is the total dB is equal to now dB can be written as dB equals to mu 0 ni divided by 2. Okay, mu 0 ni divided by 2 divided by r square into r square plus x square 3 by 2 into dx. Okay, I means it is x-axis. Okay, as it is x-axis, so it is I cap. Okay, in here also I cap. Now according to diagram I have already drawn, x is equal to, this value is x, this is the dB, so x is equal to r tan theta. How it is x is equal to r tan theta? Because we know tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base, perpendicular in here, perpendicular, this is the theta, perpendicular is equal to x and base is equal to r. So x is equal to r tan theta. Okay, so according to the trigonometric function, now I just derivative dx is equal to r sec square theta into d theta. Dx is equal to r sec square theta into d theta. So dB is equal to mu 0 ni divided by 2 I cross cosec theta into d theta. So this is the total, because I am just putting the value x is equal to r square plus r square, so this is, I get this value. Okay, how? Okay, so it is not cosec theta, it is cos theta. How I get? Because just putting in here, just putting this value mu 0 ni I cap divided by 2 into r square and r square to the power means r cube. Okay, and x is equal to, putting the value, x is equal to r tan theta, so it is 6 square theta, so it is 6 square theta. Okay, this value is 6 cube theta, and this is 6 square theta. So because the derivative part r tan r into 6 square theta d theta, so r cut and 6 square theta is cut, and this is the cut, so I get this value. Now dB is equal to this. Now I can write, I integrating both side, dB is equal to mu 0 ni, I means capital I, sorry, this I means current. Okay, divided by 2 I cap, and integration pi by 2 minus beta into pi by 2 minus alpha. How, friends? Because according to the diagram wise, this is the diagram, pi by 2 minus alpha and pi by 2 minus beta, this is this portion. Okay, so this is the total. So dB is equal to this is, so whatever I get in here, I am just putting in here cos theta into d theta. Now again I just working mu 0 in I divided by 2 I cap, and this value is sin theta pi by 2 minus beta pi by 2 minus alpha. So the value is, we can write mu 0 n I divided by 2 I cap is equal to cos beta plus cos alpha. Just putting the value, so I get this. Thanks for watching.